everyone. Today I'll be making coconut limeade. What all goes into the coconut limeade? 1/2 cup freshly squeezed lime juice from 4 to 5 limes, 1 can coconut milk, 1/4 cup sweetened condensed milk or granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 2 cups ice, 1/2 cup cold water. This is optional to thin if needed. Lime slices and shredded coconut for garnish, and this is optional. So let's begin. So take your blender, dump in your 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, the 1 can of coconut milk, your 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk or granulated sugar, and again this is to taste, your 2 cups of ice, and we do have a 1/2 cup of cold water if we want it thinner. Put your lid on, hit power, blend until your mixture is creamy and frothy. I don't have to add the 1/2 cup of water, it is thin enough. So I have a pitcher here. It's not even going to get it halfway full because it's about 4.5 cups according to what it says here. I didn't have a smaller pitcher. So we'll just pour this into the pitcher. Look how creamy that is. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's only up to here. Might make a couple of glassfuls. I'm going to put the lid on it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. And then when Dave gets home, I'll garnish it with lime slices and shredded coconut on top. So we'll be back when he gets home. So here is the coconut limeade, garnished with lime slices and coconut flakes. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It's pretty tart.
That is coconut limeade.
Okay. It's frothy.
Yeah, it's got coconut milk in it, and it's got sweetened condensed milk in it.
Yeah, it's got just enough bite from the lime. Pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.